'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the shelves not a creature was stirring, not even the elves. The stockings were hung in the tree without care, along with the other stuff Floyd threw up there, and they all got stuck. The fireplace was lit, in case aliens should come. If they climbed down the chimney, they might burn their thumb. The Gruffaloes were snoring, all tucked in their beds, with visions of wild things dancing in their heads. It was the same situation everywhere that you looked. All of the book creatures slept near their books. Except Floyd, who heard noises of the curious kind and went off to investigate, leaving his glasses behind. Without them, he is as blind as can be, and the cause of the noises he couldn't quite see.
Floyd, it's against the law to throw Santa in a tree. I am telling your mother.
Santa and his reindeer, 1, 2, 3, were thrown by Floyd up into the tree. First the deer, Saint Nick, and then the sled. Then Floyd himself went back to bed.
No presents for you this year.
All of this noise made such a clatter. The Grinch woke up to see what was the matter. Time for some Grinchy fun for me. I wonder what trouble I can set free. The Grinch crept over where Meg and Mog slept and quietly stole the spell book she kept. Hocus pocus gobbledygook, everybody leave your book. Whirlwind brings some windy weather, story characters thrown together.
Where's my book? I am lost. I think we have a problem. This is worse than middle school. Expecto Patronum! We're going on a bear hunt.
The end results you plainly see. No one knows where they should be.
Where am I?
Meg had a special secret spell and she knew it very well. In case of magic book attack, she could take her magic back.
Truffalo trees, frog and toad sneeze. Return books and characters to the proper place. Please!
A crashing sound was heard once more as Santa Pants drove through the door.
Captain Santa Pants to the rescue! What's all the fuss? It isn't a bus.
They took the Grinch where the sidewalk ends. He burst into tears saying, I have no friends. I'm always stuck in the same old home. I need some friends or I'm in the blue zone.
I've been here since 1957.
Of course, said the characters, and they hugged the Grinch tight. He smiled and was happy with all of his might. The real Santa was fetched from the top of the tree. Floyd got the ladder and set the deer free. Santa handed all presents out to all of the characters lurking about. A spellbook for Meg, eye goggles for Floyd, a boon for Clifford, and a bunch of toys. To the Grinch he gave friendship and feeling included. The end of the story comes when it's concluded. The moral is simple, easy, and true. If you see someone lonely, reach out to them too.